Alright, so you want to make a vlog that hooks people from the very first second. Something that makes viewers stop scrolling and actually pay attention. Whether you're a total beginner or you've tried vlogging before, you're probably wondering how to make your videos stand out in a sea of content. Maybe you want to explain something cool or just share something you're passionate about. Maybe you want to teach, inspire, or simply entertain your audience with your unique perspective. I've been there, and trust me, it's less about fancy gear and more about how you tell your story. You don't need the latest camera or a professional studio. What matters most is your message and how you deliver it. Let's break it down. Step 1, know your why. Why are you making this vlog? Is it to teach? To inspire, to entertain? Are you hoping to help people solve a problem or just make them smile after a long day? Getting clear on your purpose will shape everything else you do. Getting clear here makes everything that comes next way easier. When you know your why, you'll find it much simpler to make decisions about what to include, what to cut, and how to keep your audience engaged. Step 2, plan your story. Don't just hit record and wing it. Even explainer vlogs need structure. Think of your vlog like a mini movie. It needs a beginning, a middle, and an end. Jot down the points you want to cover. Make a quick outline or even a bullet list. This helps you stay on track and makes editing way easier later on. Start with a hook, something that grabs attention right away. Maybe it's a question, a bold statement, or even a quick story. The first few seconds are crucial, so make them count. Think about what would make you keep watching if you stumbled across your own video. Now, step 3, stock media is your best friend. Seriously, there's a ton of free and paid stock footage, music, and graphics out there. These resources can help you illustrate your points, add energy, and make your vlog look way more professional, even if you're just starting out. Use them to add context, show examples, or just spice up your visuals. Don't be afraid to get creative, mix in clips, images, or even sound effects to keep things interesting. Picture yourself explaining a tricky concept, cut to a relevant stock video, add an animated icon, throw in some upbeat music. These little touches can make your vlog feel dynamic and engaging instead of just a talking head. Suddenly your vlog feels alive. The right visuals and sounds can turn even a simple explanation into something memorable and fun to watch. Step 4, keep it real. Don't worry about being perfect or having the most cinematic shots. People connect with authenticity. Your quirks, your laughter, even your mistakes, they make you relatable. Smile, talk to the camera like you're chatting with a friend, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. The more genuine you are, the more your audience will trust and enjoy you. Editing is step 5, and this is where the magic happens. Editing lets you shape your story, set the pace, and make sure your message comes across clearly. Trim out the boring stuff, add text overlays for key points, and use stock music to keep the energy up. Don't be afraid to experiment with transitions, effects, or even a little humor in your edits. If you mess up a take, no problem. Just cut it out. Outtakes can even be fun to include at the end for a laugh and to show your human side. The goal is to make your vlog smooth, punchy, and easy to follow. Good editing keeps viewers engaged and makes your content feel polished, even if you filmed it in your bedroom. Finally, end with a call to action. This is your chance to invite your viewers to be part of the conversation and build a real community around your channel. Ask your viewers a question, invite them to comment, or suggest what you should explain next. Engagement is everything. The more you interact, the more your audience will want to come back for your next video. So, to recap, define your why, plan your story, use stock media smartly, be yourself, edit tight, and don't forget that call to action. Each step builds on the last, and together they'll help you create vlogs that are both informative and entertaining. If you stick to these steps, you'll be making explainer vlogs that not only inform, but actually connect with people. You'll build a loyal audience who looks forward to your next upload. Now grab your camera or even just your phone and start creating. The world is waiting to hear your story, so don't hold back. You've got this.